Good morning, my fellow Canadians. I have a message for you. Before I proceed, I'd like to introduce this statement by former President of the United States of America, His Excellency Bill Clinton, the current President of the United States of America, His Excellency Donald Trump, as well as our own His Excellency the Senate President of the Republic of Ghana. Said and I quote, "We are bound by the ideas that Mr. Citizen that every chapter before these ideas that makes us who we are. I ask you to be citizens. Citizens must be citizens, not subjects. Responsible citizens coming together to build a community of service and nation of character." Unquote. So as concerned citizens, we are obliged with this great responsibility to campaign on the directives against this bread and what to do if being infected. I respond to the name candidate, and my name is Samuel Abuki, the one of your own. There it is. Hashtag wash hands regularly with soap and running water. Hashtag use alcoholic-based hand sanitizer. Hashtag observe the prescribed social distancing protocol. Hashtag avoid physical contact. Hashtag limit non-essential trips. Hashtag wear nose masks where necessary. Hashtag report to the nearest health center if symptoms show. Hashtag avoid stigmatization of the recurrent patient. Note, do not go out COVID-19 directives. Be clean and vigilant always. Hashtag stay home. Hashtag stay protected. Hashtag stay safe. My slogan: violate these directives, contract this virus. I thank you.